Cocktail, the perfect blend of science and art, a canvas for mixologists to paint their masterpieces. And ice makes cocktail a better result. Imagine there, how will you make different shapes of clear ice? Here are your options. Various ice molds. They shape the ice, but not so great for transparency. Sculpting yourself? Good idea, but try to learn how to use these tools and be ready for the freezing temperature with your hands. Traditional ice presses you will buy for the different shapes? Great, but do not forget the heavy weight for only one shape and a long time you should wait. Don't worry, we have a new solution. Introducing GLAZER Press, your next generation of ice press, leading a greater journey to sculpt your crystal ice. With GLAZER Press, it's all about variety. Easily switch between different magnetic inserts to create the perfect ice shapes for any occasion. Whether it's a whiskey night with skull or sphere ice, a romantic anniversary with heart-shaped ice, or sparking your kids' interest in science with Saturn-shaped ice. With GLAZER Press, every sip tells a story. GLAZER Press stays in control with its dynamic melting system. We have mastered the skill of making perfect shapes in every press through meticulous temperature and power experiments. With a durable heater, precise sensors, and a powerful chip, the control becomes even better. Does GLAZER Press easy to use? Absolutely. Unlock, put in the ice block, and simply press the button. The light tells you where it is, and voila! You are ready for the next iced drink. After use, you can gently pour the water with the press locked. The cleaning and storage process is made simpler due to the material and design. GLAZER Press is IP65 rated, ensuring its resilience even in challenging conditions. Dive into the inner design to see how we made it. A fully enclosed structure and multi-level temperature protection allow GLAZER Press to demonstrate its superb performance anytime. With GLAZER Press, it's time to begin your new era of iced drinks. More efficiency and creativity. The next generation of ice press for crystal clear creations. GLAZER Press.